My name is Tara Dexter-Barge, and I am originally from Tampa, Florida. And I came to Gulfcoast to learn more about adult echo and get a hands-on feel of scanning. The instructors and the educational tools that I received have a wealth of knowledge. The hands-on portion of the course was my favorite. They had great models, male and female. The teachers were very knowledgeable about how to help you scan and get the images that you need to acquire to complete an adult echo from start to finish. The safety protocols were definitely on point with the temperature checks. Every morning at sign-in, they provided masks. They had separation of seats, so I was definitely impressed with the precautions that Gulfcoast provided for COVID.